Hey, it's Gus the Dog back with a brand new video. Now today, I'll be showing you guys how to mount the propeller guards on the DJI Mavic Air. So let's get straight into it. So before you install the propeller guards, ensure that your drone's arms and front landing gear are unfolded. Next, we have to open up the buckles on the propeller guards. Then, connect the propeller guards together for the front and the back side. They should slot together just like this. Then, get your drone and place the landing gear in the holes provided. Then pull the guards up high enough so the buckle can wrap around the arm and attach to the other side. Note that with the front arm, that the guard goes around the landing gear and slots in between the arm and the strut. Perform the same steps to mount the propeller guards on the other side of the aircraft. Once the guards are mounted, check they are in place by pressing down on the buckles and giving them a gentle shake. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to leave a like, and if you want to see more content like this, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in another video.